Started? Okay. So now, yesterday we had finished with 10 sums from exercise F. Okay. So today we are going to do 11, 12, 13. Now in this 11, 12 and 13 sums, let us solve the first one. If alpha and beta are the roots of x square is equal to x plus 1, you have to find out the value of alpha square upon beta minus beta square upon alpha. Okay. Now we have to do a lot of, okay, now check what is given to us. From the given equation, we have found out the values of alpha plus beta is minus b by a, which is nothing but plus 1, and alpha beta is c by a, that is equal to minus 1. At the next step, we have to find out alpha square upon beta. Write along with me, all of you. Beta square upon alpha. So now take the LCM. So it will give us alpha cube minus beta cube. Alpha cube minus beta cube into alpha beta. Now we know the formula. कालचा एक फॉर्म्युला मी तुम्हाला सांगितला होता. A cube minus B cube. A minus B into bracket A square plus AB plus B square. Okay, so this formula all of us know. We are going to use the same formula. So when we write about alpha cube minus beta cube, I am going to write it as alpha minus beta into alpha square plus alpha beta plus beta square. आता मला सांगा, can I write alpha minus beta as square root of? Check मी आता ह्या स्टेप मध्ये काय करतेय. Alpha minus beta, I can write it down as square root of alpha minus beta whole bracket square. ठीक है? And the rest will follow as it is. But the way whatever we do is, what we are going to do in this is, we are going to add and subtract 2 alpha beta. Add and subtract 2 alpha beta. Add and subtract 2 alpha beta. I'll tell you why. वो भी है. I'm just adding and subtracting 2 alpha beta. ठीक है? Everybody has understood up till this step. Now we know what is the formula of alpha beta. Alpha minus beta whole bracket square. So it is going to be square root of alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. We have expanded the bracket. अभी यहाँ पे if you see alpha, this is the formula for alpha plus beta whole bracket square. And what is the answer for minus 2 alpha beta plus alpha beta? Correct? Everybody's understood this step. Now next step. Now after this step, what I'm going to do? I'm going to do the same thing. Add and subtract 2 alpha beta. Add and subtract 2 alpha beta. Add and subtract 2 alpha beta. This is the original alpha beta. 2 alpha beta into bracket alpha plus beta whole bracket square minus alpha beta upon alpha beta. Again, this is the formula of, this is going to be the formula of alpha plus beta whole bracket square. So alpha plus beta whole bracket square. Now this becomes minus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta. So it will become minus 4 alpha beta. And then again alpha plus beta whole bracket square. Now we have all the values, correct? We have the value of alpha plus beta, we have the value of alpha. So why have we done all this? हमने ये क्यों किया है? Because we have only two values, one is alpha plus beta, other is alpha beta. So in order to bring it in this form, so that we can directly substitute the values. ठीक है? Everybody is written up till here. Substitute the values and tell me what is the answer. You know alpha plus beta is, and alpha beta is minus 1. So substitute these values. 1 square is 1, minus 4 into minus 1, which will become plus 4. This will become 1 plus 1 upon minus 1. So that is going to give us 2 root 5 upon minus 1, which is nothing but minus 2 root 5. So the answer is option D for question number 11. Option D for question number 11. कोणाला डाऊट? समजतंय? आणि जिथे जिथे मी सांगितलं ना ऍड अँड सबट्रॅक्ट टू अल्फा बीटा, राइट इट डाउन अबाउट दैट स्टेप सो दैट लेटर ऑन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज डन. सो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी. Now let us solve the 12th one. So this is option D. If P is not equal to Q and P square is equal to 5P minus 3, Q square is 5Q minus 3, the equation having the roots as P upon Q and Q upon P is. हमें पता है that when alpha and beta are the roots given to us, we can form the equation by using the formula x square minus alpha plus beta into x minus, no, not minus, it is plus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, that is equal to 0. You know how to form the equation, which is already given in the textbook and we have studied that. Check which page number and tell me the page number. Now, first equation is given to us as P square is equal to 5P minus 3 . So, for this, what will be P plus Q? They have given that the roots are P by Q and Q by P. Compare with this with the original equation ax square plus bx plus c. Tell me what is P plus Q in this case? कसं काय? 5 upon 1 minus b by a, na? Minus of minus 5, so that will give you plus 5, and pq is c by a, so this will become 3. Okay, so we have these values now. Okay, so now they have given us that the roots are given to us as P upon Q and Q upon P. Right along with me, all of you. we know whenever the roots are given and we have to form the equation, it can be done as x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is the formula. Okay. Now, in our case, what is alpha? Alpha is P upon Q and beta is Q upon P. So, x square minus P upon Q plus Q upon P into x plus P upon Q into Q upon P. क्या हुआ बोलो. वो दोनों इक्वेशंस दी है ना. सो दोनों इक्वेशंस से हमें ये पता चलता है दैट p plus q is 5 and pq is 3. Can you tell me how? Two equations are given to you. So what is the second equation? Q square is equal to 5q plus 3. So that means q square minus 5q minus 3 is equal to 0. So from that you can find out the value of q. वो क्यों दिया है? दोनों इक्वेशंस में if you check p plus q, that is the roots addition, is equal to 5. The roots are not same, but दोनों इक्वेशंस में p and q के वैल्यूज वैसे ही आएंगे. Okay. Now here you will take the LCM. LCM will be p square plus q square upon pq into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now adjustment. So जहाँ जहाँ p square plus q square आएगा, what we are going to do is we are going to write it down as same p square plus q square plus 2pq minus 2pq x upon pq plus 1. So everybody has understood this now. Okay. Now we know p square plus q square plus 2pq is nothing but p plus q whole bracket square. Minus 2pq So we have all the values with us now. So x square, 5 का square is 25. 25 minus 2 into 3 ना. x है हाँ यहाँ पे. So after this step what will you do? 25 minus 6 क्या आएगा? 19. So x square minus 19 by 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Take the LCM now. Don't forget to take the LCM. So that's why this will be 3x square minus 19x plus 3 is equal to 0, or this is going to be our final equation. So that is option C. Option C for question number 12. समझ में आया? Easy. घरी जाऊन करा परत एकदा. Try to solve it again without seeing. Okay, now the next question. 13th question. झालं सगळ्यांचं लिहून? Now 13th question is, if one root of 5x square plus 13x plus p is equal to 0, be the reciprocal of other, then the value of p is. म्हणजे समजा एक रूट अल्फा असेल तर what will be the other root? कंडिशन काय वाचली मी आता? 1 by alpha. So alpha is one of the root, other will be 1 by alpha. Reciprocal. Okay. So as you can see over here, one is alpha, other is 1 by alpha. Now the equation that is given to us is 5x square plus 13x plus p is equal to 0. So now compare it with the original equation and find out what is your alpha. If we say alpha and beta are the roots, so alpha plus beta is going to be minus b by a, so minus 13 by 5. And alpha beta is c by a. So that is going to be p by 5. Now if we say alpha and 1 upon alpha are the roots, okay. So alpha into 1 upon alpha. कारण आपल्या केस मध्ये बीटा नाही आहे ना. Other root is given to us as 1 upon alpha. That is equal to p upon 5. Therefore, we can say p upon 5 or 1 is equal to p upon 5. Therefore, the value of p is going to be 5. So that is going to be option A, B. Option B for question number 13. Option B is the correct answer. Done. अभी जो next exercise है, from that exercise it is not that difficult, but you can use the method of substitution to solve directly the options. That will make it more easier. Okay, this is a bit complicated. Chala. So I think we will solve this today. Try to complete this. Next, exercise G. A solution of the quadratic equation a plus b minus 2c into x square plus 2a minus b minus c into x plus c plus a minus 2b equal to 0. So compare this equation with the original equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, and solve by the method of substitution. Okay, find out which answer when you substitute you will get the left hand side equal to the right hand side. That will give you a correct answer. So do it. Find out which option is correct. So like x ची value substitute के लिए a option से substitute केला. If you substitute option A, x is equal to 1, what will happen? This will become a plus b minus 2c plus 2a minus b minus c plus c plus a minus 2b. Is it coming equal to 0? Find out which is the correct option. Chalo, you tell me the option. Exercise G, the first one. Now I have substituted the value of x as -1. So now each and every sign is going to change. काय चालू नाहीये? कोण म्हणलं असं? मेसेज आलाय? So is this coming equal to 0? बघते. लाईव्ह चालू आहे ना? लाईव्ह चालू आहे. इथे तर दिसतंय मला. ते लिंक वर क्लिक करून बघ. काय आलं ऑप्शन तुमचं? एक्स ची व्हॅल्यू काय म्हणून सबस्टिट्यूट केली? आलं आन्सर? पण माझं नाही येत आहे. चेक करा बरं. सो काय करायचं? सगळ्या टर्म्स एकत्र घ्या. हा, सो a प्लस a बिकम्स 2a, 2a मायनस 2a झाली कट. b प्लस b इज 2b, 2b मायनस 2b हे पण झालं कट. c प्लस c इज 2c. So LHS equal to RHS, that means option is equal to x is equal to -1. ठीक है? हाँ B है, हाँ B. Okay? So understood this? Easy? Method of substitution नी जास्त easy पडतं. ठीक है? पण मागचे ते जे सम्स आहेत ते नाही मेथड ऑफ सबस्टिट्यूशन नी येणार. त्याला स्टेप्सच लागतील. Second, if root of the equation 8x square minus 8x plus m is equal to 0 exceeds the other by 4, find out the value of m. So अभी मुझे बताओ, if one root is alpha, what will be the other root? If one root is alpha, what will be the other root? त्यांनी काय दिलंय कंडिशन? प्लीज रीड द कंडिशन. Exceeds the other, correct, alpha plus 4, correct. So if one root is given to us as alpha, other will be alpha plus 4. Very good. What is the equation? X square minus 8x plus m. So what will be our alpha plus beta? यानी alpha plus 4 minus b by a. So this will be 8. And alpha into alpha plus 4 नहीं होता है, बंद है. बकली. Okay, now solve. Alpha plus 4 is given to you as 8. Find out the value of alpha. So if you observe here, 2 alpha is equal to 4. So value of alpha we are going to get as 2. Huh? So 2 into 2 plus 4 will give you the value as m. Correct? Find out the value of m and tell me. Option D. Okay. Now let us go to the next question. The values of x in the equation are. So substitute the answers, options, and tell me which is the correct option in question number 3. Do it by method of substitution. Check at what step LHS is equal to RHS by substituting which option. Substitute kara. I'm not going to solve this. You are going to tell me the answer. सगळे आन्सर चेक करून बघावे लागतील इन द एक्झाम ऑल्सो. करेक्ट. अथर्वला सांग एक 5 मिनिटं थांब, मॅम येत आहेत. येस. Check by the method of options. That's the only way in which you can solve it. Method of substitution. So समजा मी x ची व्हॅल्यू 4p म्हणून सबस्टिट्यूट केली. So 7 into 6p चा स्क्वेअर म्हणजे 36. 7 into 36 p square plus 5p square. कॅल्क्युलेटरवर सांगा मला 7 into 36 p square किती होतं? 252 म्हणजे 7 into हे करून सांगितलं 36 ना. हा, सो काय आलं प्लस 5. सो 257 p square. हे झालं लेफ्ट हँड साइड. आता राईट हँड साइड चेक करा. 35 into 4p square. So 35 into 4p square will give you 140 p square plus 117 p square. So 140 plus 117 आलं. 257 is equal to 2 आलं. LHS RHS आलं. पण आता तुम्हाला सेकंड साठी पण चेक करावं लागेल. सेकंड सबस्टिट्यूट करून बघा आणि चेक करा. LHS इक्वल टू RHS आलं तर दॅट इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो हे असे जेव्हा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड देतात ना ते मेथड ऑफ सबस्टिट्यूशन नीच सॉल्व करायचं ऑप्शन्स चेक करून. ओके, सो दॅट इज द इझिएस्ट वे. इट विल कंझ्युम द सेम अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम पण इझिएस्ट. ठीक आहे. So which is the correct option, Harshavardhan? A. So solve this, all of you, and tell me the answer. I think that is satisfying. No, option A. Option A is the correct answer for the third one. Now the fourth one. So you can do it by method of substitution. I am going to do by this method. You do by the method of substitution. Check which options is correct. Which option is correct? डी डी म्हणजे काय आहे 2, -3. सो इथे 2 चा सबस्टिट्यूट केली मी व्हॅल्यू येत आहे का पण माझं इथे काय चुकलंय डी येत आहे ऑप्शन कारण इथे आन्सर नाही येत ना वेट लेट मी चेक ऑल द स्टेप्स (13x² + 13x राहिला go back and check like I do that will help you so हे येणार x येणार मिडिल आलं आन्सर so x² - x + 7 +7 आहे का or it is 13x 6 आहे 6 So हे होणार -x² - x + 6 or I can write it down as x² + x - 6 is equal to 0. Factors. So 2, 3, 2, -3. ठीक है so the options are 2, -3 solve this equation x into bracket x + 3 -2 into bracket x + 3 is equal to 0 so x will have two values 2, -3 option D is the correct option ठीक है now question number 5 question number 5 solve by equation solve by substitution check the B option. Substitute करून बघा, check the B option. For question number 5, please check B option and see whether you're getting LHS equal to RHS. But in exam, you have to try each and every option and check. Then only you will get the correct answer. ठीक है? होता है का? Question number 5B is the correct answer. मग मला हे इक्वेशन सांगायचं. हा, मला कॉपी करत बसायला खूप वेळ लागतो. कुठलं होतं हे? 5th ना? हा हा, x प्लस आणि कुठलं ऑप्शन सांगितलं मी चेक करायला? बी ऑप्शन सांग, एक्सच्या व्हॅल्यू. So if I substitute x की value as minus p, so minus p plus p 0, so this will become q, left hand side. आणि इथे it will be 1 upon minus p plus 1 upon p, which will be 0 again, plus 1 upon q. So LHS is equal to RHS. Similarly, check for minus q. You'll get the answer. हाँ, ठीक है. So option B for 5th question. ठीक है. हाँ, correct substitute करून बघा, you'll get the answer. Now we will do the next sum. We'll try to finish this exercise today. Next, the values of x for the equation x square plus 9x plus 18 is equal to 6 minus 4x. Find out the value of x. Now this everybody can do. Question number 6, every one of you can do. Show me. I am going to check. Question number 6, all of you try it. I am going to check it. Good. 7th also try by the method of substitution. So this is G, F, G, H and I. Ata only 2 are remaining and we will finish this chapter. So next chapter I am going to start sequence and series. Easy chapter. Sequence and series खरंच easy आहे. अवघड काय आहे ते मी सांगते. When the time comes. आहे. अवघड 2 चॅप्टर्स आहेत. प्रोबॅबिलिटी, थेरॉटिकल डिस्ट्रीब्युशन आणि रिग्रेशन. हे 3 चॅप्टर्स अवघड आहेत. बाकी सगळे सोपे. खरंच. Okay, question number 6 झाला सॉल्व करून. Tell me what is the correct answer. I want you all to solve it. झालं? B -1 -12 काय आलं इक्वेशन? नुसतं कसं येईल सॉल्व करायला? सो -1 म्हणजे हे झालं 1 -9 + 18 म्हणजे 10 आलं लेफ्ट हँड साइड आणि राईट हँड साइडला पण 10 आलं. 12 -12 सबस्टिट्यूट केला तर 144 54 ऑन द लेफ्ट आणि राईट का? करेक्ट. करेक्ट. Option B is the correct option for 6th question. Very good. Option B. नुसतं बसायचं नाही, सॉल्व करायचं. केलंय सॉल्व? या आलंय ना? ओके, डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 नाव. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 मध्ये पण सबस्टिट्यूटच करा. देयर इज नो अदर अल्टरनेटिव्ह फॉर सबस्टिट्यूशन. You can square both sides and solve. Those who want to solve it, square both sides. नहीं होगा, हाँ नहीं, और वो कॉम्प्लिकेट भी होगा. No, substitute the values and solve. For question 7 and question 8, substitute the values and solve. चलो. We'll finish this exercise and stop for today. Substitute the values. Option B is the correct option for 6. For 7, 6 I'm not going to do. For 7, 2x square plus 5x minus 2. Minus 2x square plus 5x minus 9. Chala. Solve by the method of substitution. For the 7th one, minus 2 and 9 comma 2. Chalo, let us check. 7 का आंसर A है. So let us check by substitution. He has told us answer is 2 comma minus 9 by 2. Check whether you're getting LHS equal to RHS. So if we substitute the value of x as 2, we are substituting the value of x as 2. So 2 into 4 plus 5 into 2 minus 2. This is the correct option. मेरा दिखने में माइनस है, यहाँ पे माइनस है, यहाँ पे भी माइनस है. So 1 आया which is nothing but equal to RHS, and then when you substitute it over here, 81 minus 10 म्हणजे 71 upon minus 4 upon 2 upon 4. 67 आ रहा है, 67 upon 2 4 ना, minus है पर what I have done, this is minus, something is wrong. हाँ वहीं पे कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. It should be minus 45 upon 2. So 81 upon 2. So 81 minus 45. 81 minus 45 कितना आया? 36 upon 4 minus 2. काल आंसर आलं? LHS equal to RHS आलं? चेक. -2 आलं दोन्ही साईडला. हेल्प करा प्लीज. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस. हेल्प मी. आई कैन नॉट सॉल्व इट. बोलो. टेल मी द आंसर. चलो. हाँ 36 upon 4 का 36 upon 2. So 36 minus 45 18. तो कितना आया बता दो. चलो. आई डोंट वांट टू डू इट. √9 3. हाँ सो 4 minus 3 आएगा. ठीक आहे. चलो. तुमच्याकडे कॅल्क्युलेटर्स आहेत, तुम्ही प्लीज ते करू शकता. देर इज नथिंग. आलंय का नाही आलंय? 1 2 3 आलंय का नाही आलंय? 1 2 3 ह्याचा आन्सर आलाय नक्की? आला आन्सर? आता मेथड ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूशन आई होप एवरीबडी नोज हाउ टू डू. लेट अस सॉल्व द 8th one. 8 9 10th. चलो. The 10th one is a bit complicated. नाही यायलाच पाहिजे. आता मी नाही करणार आहे. नाही करणार आहे. मी त्याच्यात करून दाखवणार. इथे लिहिणं फार अवघड आहे मला. हा तेच करायला हवंय. सरांना सांगायला हवंय इथे तुमचं पॅड ठेवून जात्या, रायटिंग पॅड. करूया. कारण ह्याच्यात काही एक्सप्लेन करण्यासारखं नाहीये. यू हॅव टू जस्ट सबस्टिट्यूट द व्हॅल्यूज अँड सॉल्व. दॅट यू कॅन डू ऑन अ कॅल्क्युलेटर. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू इट देन अवघड आहे. सीए फाउंडेशन इज डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू. बर थांबा हे लिहून घेते कारण ते परत मला कॉपी करताना चुकतो माझं. So again use the method of substitution in 9th one, 8th one also. First let us do the 8th one. +4 है ना. इक्वेशन काय है? +24 × 3 किती है? 72 ना. 9 8 जा 72 आलं की. Solve by splitting the middle term. So x will have two values, 3, 8. No, 3, 8 by 3. No? Option C is the correct option. Because that's a mixed fraction. I hope 8/3 is a mixed fraction. सगळ्यांना करता येतं? येतं? येतं का नाही येत? हा सांगा. डिव्हिजन. हे बघा मुलांनो, लेट अस डू डिव्हिजन टुडे. हा 3 2 जा 6. ओके, आपण हा कशा फॉर्म मध्ये लिहितो? क्वोशंट रिमाइंडर अपॉन quotient remainder upon divisor. So quotient is 2 integer 2/3. Okay, done. फिफ्थ स्टैंडर्ड का बेस मैंने बोल दिया. फिफ्थ स्टैंडर्ड. ओके, so option C for the 8th one. Let us go to 9th one. Solve by the method of substitution. Solve by the method of substitution. असंच आहे ना? बरोबर आहे का? चेक करा इक्वेशन. करेक्ट है. अभी ये कैसे सॉल्व करना है? सॉल्व बाय द मेथड ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूशन. सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज. अगर भी सब्स्टिट्यूट 1, x की वैल्यू इज 1. 3 into 18/6. This is 9 plus 2 plus 9. 20 on the left hand side. 98/7 plus 6. So 1, 1 is the correct option. -1 आता है. So 1, -1 option C. 1, -1 option C for the 9th question. Direct method of substitutionच करा. येस. काय होईल? नाही, मला वेळ नसतो झालेला. एकच टेस्ट. आय डोंट हॅव टाइम विथ मी राईट नाउ. मी खूप बिझी आहे जरा. हा आठवडा आय एम टू मच बिझी. ओके, द 10th वन. So check whether when you substitute the value of x as 1, you will have to get LHS equal to RHS. That is compulsory. ठीक है. So आता दुसऱ्या values check करा. So what can you do over here? Substitute करूनच बघा. So I have to write it down. Which is the correct option? बघा मागे बघा. Directly I'll show by the method of substitution. D है का? G. So you have to substitute the value of x as 2m upon 1 minus m, because 1 has to satisfy. Current each and every option has 1, so I am going to show it by this method of substitution. 10th. So this is L minus m upon 2 into x square आता x ची value let us substitute it as 2m upon 1 minus m. L minus m है. This is my L. चलेगा. That is also a good option. So if alpha and beta are the roots, so alpha plus beta is going to be minus b by a. So क्या है आंसर इसका? बस मला पण बास झालं आज. बास. Option A is the correct option for the 10th one. चला आता H. चला आता H. फक्त 12 आहेत. Okay, so I think we'll stop here for today. See you tomorrow, all of you. Bye bye. आता मला कळलं why I am tired today. आज 8 वाजल्यापासून शिकवते म्हणून संपला माझा पेशन्स.